Okay, so very late in the day, it's almost 10 o'clock, and if you can see here, we'll have Nathan zoom in on what we have now. So we went from all those big pans. This is actually only 17 gallons worth of sap, and we have somewhere in the neighborhood of, I'd say, 4 to 6 quarts. And we're actually not even down to the final product yet, so we're in good shape. We've done one filtering yet. We use what was called an Orlon filter. So this is a filter specifically made for filtering sap to syrup. Motion sensor sink there. So what we're gonna do, we filtered it once. We're gonna boil it for a little bit. I'm gonna turn it off. Actually, I'm gonna try something a little different. So I'm gonna boil it down. I'm gonna turn it off for the night, let it cool. There's a product of making syrup called, they call it sugar sand, and it's also called niter. So it's a little bit of it's not bad. It's kind of like it is a sugary element that is left behind when you boil. So a lot of people try and strain off as much as they can. I usually don't worry about it, but with this batch, and because I have so much more to do, I'm going to give it a try. So we're going to boil. It's boiling now. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm tired. We're going to shut it off. We're going to see if some of that sugar sand will kind of come to rest at the bottom, and we'll kind of separate it out more tomorrow. Boil it again, filter it again, and then once we get it down to we get it to about 219 degrees, which is the right temperature, but we also measure for what's known as 62 Brix, which is Brix is a measurement of sugar to water. So when this starts kind of popping more and looking like we're making candy, there'll be a lot of bubbles. We'll see tomorrow. We start taking measurements, and once it gets to 62 Brix, we have syrup that we can bottle. So more to come tomorrow. I'm going to bed. Good night.